Well, so as of yesterday, it's like I have suddenly discovered that Reliance Trends, it was set up like I don't know a decade ago, I guess, but yesterday I discovered that shop, the thing, and I realized, yeah, you can get good stuff for like I've for like prices that are unbelievable. I mean, like, in terms of keeping in mind the quality, uh, because the way I see it is Reliance Trends has set up this whole their garment line, their footwear, everything, not so much to make profit as to make a foray into that industry, into that field. So the profit margins are must be a little may not be so great for Reliance, but for Reliance it's about setting foot in that market and trying to capture that market by very competitively priced, very reasonably priced products. So this amazing top, I am so happy about it. So I got it yesterday, and wow, so now that I've discovered that place, I can't wait to go back, because I already thought of these 6 outfits that I want to pick up from there. Because no, yeah, it helps to know these places where you can get amazing products at you know very reasonable prices. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.